Hello everyone, welcome to the 72 Dragons Health channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio, and today we will talk about the World Health Assembly and its role in improving international collaboration for early detection and response to health threats. Consider the world to be a massive puzzle, with each country representing a distinct piece. But here's the catch. These components don't just fit together. They are collaborating, sharing, and working toward a single goal: global health defense. Additionally, the World Health Assembly takes to the world stage. As the heart of health discussions, it is where nations come together to share strategies, pool resources, and create a plan for a robust global defense. Why is international collaboration so important? This is because in today's interconnected society, health threats transcend borders. The value of international collaboration cannot be overemphasized. One such example is the World Health Assembly, which plays an important role in promoting worldwide collaboration. It is the World Health Organization's decision-making body that serves as a forum for member states to discuss and coordinate global health policies. Early detection is critical in the fight against health hazards. Collaborative measures include building strong surveillance systems, sharing important data, and putting in place early warning mechanisms. This collective alertness allows for a faster and more effective response when hazards arise. International collaboration is more than just early detection. It also involves the sharing of information and resources. More developed countries can help those facing bigger issues by offering knowledge, technology, and financial resources. This solidarity strengthens the global community's ability to respond collectively. To conclude, international collaboration is a strategic need in the face of rising health risks. The interwoven efforts of organizations such as the World Health Assembly highlight states' joining responsibilities in ensuring global health. Remember, in an increasingly complicated environment of health concerns, teamwork remains an invaluable asset in the quest for a better, safer world. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.